Mitangiko yumanite na mutambo wa kwandikithia a Kenya mubango-ini wa SHA gukorwo utekuruta wira na njira iria yagiriire gitumi kia Kenya gukorwo matari na utauku mukinyaniru wigie mubango wa SHA ni gatagati-ini ka ciuria iria kamiti ya mbunge igi ugima wa mwiri ikinyiriirie guthererio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri o hamwe na ruhonge rwa SHA,
which refers to matters sub judice or secret.
Kamiti no ni yendekithirie guthererio gitumi kia Kenya kwaga kwamukira motungata makinyaniru thibitari-ini ona thengia wa ministry kwiranira gutire Mukenya uguthinika riria aramatha motungata. SHA ikiremwo gutaririe gitumi kia mubango uyu gukorwo utakinyaniire mweri umwe thutha wa kurugurio.
They register with Mulika Mwizi. At some point they are asked, do you have a smartphone? Those people do not have smartphones for them to access the online one.
What system do we have to enable patients to be referred from level 2 to level 3? Because according to SHA, a patient cannot walk to level 4 before going to level 3 or level 2.
Kamiti no na kuri uguo ni yendekithitie ruhonge rwa SHA gukinyaniria mubango wa uria gukugia na sesheni cia wiyandikithia wabici-ini cia icigo cia ubunge kuona namba nene ya ambunge matiyandikithitie mubango-ini uyu kumana na mathina ma wiyandikithia.
So how do you get to the biometrics now? And also, how many agents do we have of SHA? Because it tells you there is a SHA agent. Who is this SHA agent? And where are they placed?
After a person enters their identification and other details, biometric details are picked from the central registry of all biometrics and all details of our Kenyans, the National Registration Bureau.
Ciuria ingi ciiyumiririe ni uria ateithiriria a arigitani ngiri inya matũra-ini makoretwo makirihwo mishara kuona gatagati-ini ka aruti wira ngiri 100 aria mari mubango-ini wa CHP ateithiriria ngiri 96 nio mari na indo cia gukinyaniria motungata kuri muingi.
You say that there are 121 to 36 CHPs who have enrolled into ECHIS. And now you go ahead to say your target is 107,000. Our first question is, what target, what parameters, and what qualifies a CHP to enroll if you have more than what you targeted?
Ona kuri uguo ministry ni teteire na kuga gitumi kia ateithiriria ya gukorwo matarihitwo mishara ihinda-ini ria mieri ina ni gucerithirio gwa kurekererio gwa kigina gia kumariha ni thirikari nene, ministry ikihinyiriria namba ya aruti wira aria mamukagira mishara ikoragwo ineanitwo ni thirikari cia county.
We only deal with CHPs who have kits and phones. The community health promoters provide health services at the community level. They are recruited at the community level.
Ni ndeto ithiite na mbere gutumura ciuria nyingi kuri a Kenya amu mathina maria magumeire mubango wa SHA ni maratuma mage kwamukira motungata uria kwagiriire.
Important to go back and interrogate the system again because this statement is actually misleading.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.